Hi friends, this is Vijay Ranjana. Welcome to our online classes. I hope everyone fine. So student, we have discussed last class what is globe. Okay, why we are using globe. See student, this is our globe I said, and it is rotating. This is the line which imaginary line which passes the center of the globe is called axis, and on the two axis on its own axis the globe will move or rotate, and this is called two poles or flat end, it is called poles. So we have discussed last class what is globe and what are the facts about globe. See student, when you will look, if you will look one side of a globe, you cannot see the whole part of the globe. Yes or no? If you are looking here, you only look at this surface. You cannot see the behind what is there, because it is round in shape. Our earth is round, so it is a small model of globe, small model of earth, so it is called a globe. So we cannot see whole part at a time. Yes or no? So if you want to see at a time, to see whole part of a globe or whole part of a Indian figure, we cannot, or world figure we cannot see, because it is round in shape. When we will see from this side, or if you are seeing this side, it is, we can say, visible one part, okay, half part, or remaining part it is behind, we cannot see. For this, what we have to do? We have to use another kind of map, that is called map. Okay, what is map? See, before going to discuss about map, I will say, listen students, if we are unable to see the globes at a time, if you will clear the globes, it is a small globe, you will clear. Okay, if you got a globe, if you got a globe, you can see the whole part of a globe. Yes or no? For that we should not destroy anything, so we should not cut, we should not clear a globe. For that there is another kind of material is there, through which we can see our whole surface of the world, that is called, in front of you, that is called map. Okay, so it is in front of you. See this, what is it? It is map of a world. Okay, it is a map of world, because through which it is a flat surface, through which we can see the whole world with a flat surface, with a plain surface at a time. Yes or no? Understood? I am using the word flat surface at a time. You can say, with the help of a globe, we cannot see at a time the earth, the world. But in this map we can see, because it is a flat or plain surface. So what do you mean by map? So map is a drawing of part or whole surface of the earth in drawing on a flat surface. Okay, so that is called map. So map is a whole or part. It may be a small part of the earth, or it may be a whole part of the earth. Part or whole part of the earth surface drawing in a flat surface, means it is a flat surface. Yes or no? It is a flat surface or plain surface. You may look at, see here, you can see the whole part of the world, because it is written world political map. Okay, so understood? For that we to see at a time the whole part of our world, or to see the whole part of our earth, we are using the map, because it is a whole or part surface of the earth. Okay, of the earth on a flat surface. It is a flat surface. Understood? So for that we can see at a time. We can see the whole world figure. Yes or no? But when I am using the globe, you cannot see the whole part. We have to rotate, or we have to rotate. Okay, but if you will not rotate it, you can see the half part. map, we can see the whole of part of the world. Okay. So understood, students? Why we are using the map? Because it is easy to see the whole part of the earth surface or our world at a time. So this is called a map. This is our world. Asia, different continent is there. I said before. It is our sea. It is our country. India is there. Here Karnataka, Bangalore is there. So this is the political map of our world, through which we can see the different countries or different other places. Wonderful places are there through which we can see at a time. Okay, we don't want to rotate the map. We don't want to rotate the globe, so that we can take the map to see the different parts of our world or different parts of our world. Okay, it is easy to carry. It is easy to hold also. It is easy to carry from one place to another place. But globe, we cannot carry from one place to another place. We can carry, but it is not suitable compared to map. Understood? The first thing is, important thing is, we can see at a time of a earth of a world. Okay, student. Now we will say what is world. So, student, understood? See how to fold it is a map. You can fold a map like this, and you can take wherever you want. Okay. So it is easy to use, easy to carry one place to another place, and main important thing is we can see the whole world at a time. Okay, on a flat surface. So what is map? So map, M-A-P, map. Map means it is a drawing of a part or whole surface of earth. It is a drawing of a part or whole surface of earth on a flat surface. Okay, just now I said you flat surface means like our whiteboard. So it is a drawing in a part or whole. Part means it may be a certain place. It may be a whole or earth or whole or world. Okay, surface of earth. It is a drawing of a part or whole surface of earth on a flat surface. Flat surface, just now I saw you the map. So it is called map. Okay. Basically, who will use the map? Basically, it is used basically by geographer. What do you mean by geographer? Geographer who will study about our geography. Geology means that who will study or who wants to know more about our earth information. Okay, who wants to know about more information about our earth. More information about earth. Okay, more information about earth means who wants to study about our land of our earth, or who wants to know more information about earth's surface. That geographer, they use the map to know more information about this. Understood? So student, what is map? So map, it is a drawing. It is a drawing figure. Someone draw on a paper. How you are drawing something figure on your paper like this? It is a draw figure. It is a drawing of a part. It may be a small part of our earth. It may be a whole part of our earth. Small part or whole surface is total area of our earth. Whole about our earth, land, or our country maybe. If it is a part, it may be country, it may be 2-3 countries, but when I said moon, it is mentioned that it is moon part, moon, earth, land part of our earth. Okay, surface of the earth on a flat surface. So it is a drawing of a part or a moon surface of earth on a flat surface. Okay, so it is used basically by geographer who is study about our earth or geology, or who wants to know more information about our land of the earth. They will study they will more use the maps. Okay, so this is all about the map, but there are some types of map are there. Now we will study there are some types of map are there. So especially there are 3 types of map. Okay, so there are 3 types of map. Okay, there are 3 types of map. So first one is A. So first one is political map. Okay, first one is physical map. Okay, physical map. What do you mean by physical map? Okay, so there are 3 types of map. First one is physical map, second one is political map, third one is thematical map. Okay, so we divided maps in 3 types. First one is physical, second one is political, third one is thematical map. What is physical map? Physical map. The physical map shows the different features of state, country, physical features of state, countries, mountains, rivers, lakes, seas, ocean, plains, etc. of a country or of a whole world. Okay, so physical maps. So it shows the physical features of state or country, mountains, physical features of country such as mountains, river, lake, oceans, seas, oceans, plains, etc. Okay, so see, the physical maps means it is show the physical feature. Physical feature means how it is our physical body, like as for a country, for a state, physical body it comes under some such as mountains, river, lake, sea, ocean, plains, etc. Okay. It is show the physical. So these all things are will mentioned or will show the physical map. Okay, to know more information about where the mountains, where the rivers, lakes, such as oceans and seas are there, in which country, how, where is there, where is it located. So to identify these things, to identify mountains, river, lakes, sea, oceans, we will use the physical map. Understood what is physical map? So physical map is it is show the physical feature of a state or country such as mountain, river, lake, seas, oceans and plains, etc. It will give more information about these things: mountain, river, lake, seas. Okay. Now we will come to second point. screenshot or pause of a video. Then political map. Second one, political map. Political map. What is political map? So it shows or it gives more information about of a boundary of a state, country and its capital cities, major town and cities. Okay. So physical map, political map is nothing but it gives more information about the boundary of a state or a country of a state of a country or some capitals or major, not some capitals, every capitals and major town and city. So it gives information of boundaries of state, countries, capital cities, capital, major town and cities. Okay. So it gives information about boundaries or about boundaries. It gives more information about boundaries of state, country, capital, major towns and cities. Okay. So these political map will give information about boundaries of state, country, capital, major town and city. We know everywhere in our Karnataka state or Tamil Nadu state, any state or any country, there is a certain boundary. Yes or no? How we have a special boundary in our home? We are governing our body, home or houses or school. There is a special boundary like this. For a capital, for a city, for a country, for a state, there is a special boundary. Okay. So there is a special boundary. If it is a Karnataka state, let it is the boundary. Okay. Boundary. Okay. So this is the boundary. It will give more information about boundary of a state, capital, country, other town and cities. Understood? So next class I will show you the different types of maps figure. Okay. Now today you just only come to know what is political map, different types of map. Okay. Now we will come to third map. That name is thematical map. Okay. Thematical map. So last one is thematical map. Thematical map. THEMATICAL. What do you mean by thematical map? So it gives information about the rainfall distribution, different crops grown and minerals were deposited and other such other information about the or across the our country or other countries. Okay. It gives a specific information about rainfall distribution, then types of crops grown, different types of different types of minerals deposited deposits in across India, okay, or across country. That means, see, I just used okay, or climate across country, different types of minerals, rainfall distribution, that mean, or we can say climate, yeah, types of, so it gives a specific information in about rainfall distribution, where the rainfall distribution, climate, types of crops grown, different types of minerals deposited across a country, okay, across country. Once again I repeat, it gives a specific information about rainfall distribution, means in where of a country where the rain is heavily raining, in where places, in which state or which region, in according to a compared to a year where rain is too much, heavy rain is too much, or distribution. Then climate, where the places, different types of climate is there, not everywhere same climate. So about climate, it will give information, it will give more information about types of crop grown, yes or no. How in Karnataka or Gulbarga district it will give tur dal is cultivated more, like this other state cultivated rice or sugar cane, tomato, brinjal, like this it will gives more information on crops grown, different types of minerals deposited. Minerals deposited means minerals means different types of minerals, whatever we are getting from our earth surface, okay, deposited across the country. So it will give more information about different types of minerals deposited in our country, or rainfall distribution, climate, crop grains, and rainfall distribution, okay. So we are getting different types of minerals, means coal, bauxite, aluminum. So what are the minerals? Bauxite, coal, aluminum, like this, okay. So these are the three types of maps we are using for know oil distribution or map to identify the different places by three types. First one is physical map, second is political map, and third one is thematical map, okay, through which we can identify the different places, different boundaries, different where the crops or rainfall distribution is happening. So we can get more information with the help of map, okay. So now student, how will you read of a map? How to read a map, okay. So how to read a map, okay. So student, we are reading different books, mathematics, English, Kannada, history, geography. So we are using our certain language to read this type of subject. But when I saw a map, how to read means how to identify the names. So for read a map, we will use a certain, we will use a certain language. What language? We will use a certain language. Here the language means not only Hindi, English, Kannada. This language indicate the language Language indicate what? Different things. First is directions, map directions, then scale, then colors and symbols. Okay. So how to read a map? To read a map, we will use a certain language. The language includes certain things. The things are directions. Okay, different directions of a map, different scale of a map, and color and symbols of a map. Okay. Understood everybody? Because we cannot read, because this is not a topic, this is not a subject. We can use some words or sentence we can use, and we can read the map like how we are reading other books. But here, to identify a map or to read a map means we will use a certain language. That language is directions. We should know about the direction of a map. We should know the scale of a map. How much scale is measured means it is measurement. It is comes under measurement. Okay, scale. Then colors and symbols. Okay, so how, which places color, which color, which different types of colors and different types of symbols used in map for identify easily of a map. So understood everybody? So these are the things we can use certain things for to read a map. Understood? Now we will come to our title of a map. What? Title. What do you mean by title of a map? We know title. T-I-T-L-E. What is title of a map? Title is nothing but it is what are the things tells about all about a map. It is called title. Okay. The title of a map tells the what about all about the map. Tells the all about a map. Okay. So the title of a map tells the all about a map. So all about a map. What are the things, whatever given information, these all things are we can get from the title. How I am telling one example. See, this chapter is first. This chapter name is globe and map. Today we are studying map. About map means what are the things comes under globe, what are the things comes under map. So two information we are getting from first title. Okay. For example, you have different types of subject like mathematics or science or Kannada, English. There is a different types of subject or title. Subject name is given, means nutrition in plant. Mathematics means fraction and division. So this is the title, means through which we can identify the whole about whatever the given in this topic. So this is the title. Means for example, I am telling, like for a movie or for a story there is a title, means Bajrangi Bhaijaan. This is the title of a movie, means name of the movie. Through this it includes the whole information about the movie. For example, physical map. Just now I said physical map, political map and thematical map. Okay, understood? So this is called title, through which we can get more information. The title of a map tells all about the map. So whatever things are, whichever things are there, we can get through our title. We can get information. We come to know, yes, this is the information given about political map or physical map or political map or thematical map. Okay, so these are the title of a made through which we can get. So just now I showed you. See, here is written, student, here is written wall political, means it is a wall political means. Political means just before I said it gives the boundaries, information about boundary of state, capital, city, town, everything. So this is the political map, means it is the title of a map. Okay, that tells you all about the map, means it will give the information about boundary of state, country and town, cities. Understood? So this is called wall political, means it is the title of a map. So understood, student? I think everyone understood. If no one who have doubt, you may ask in my comment box. So today we have discussed, we have learned what is map, types of map and the title of the map. Okay, next class we will come to know more information about our what is direction, scale and colors and symbols. Why we are using these things as a language for a map? I think everyone understood. So student, for more classes you have to subscribe my channel, and any doubt you may ask in my comment box. Subscribe my channel and share and press the bell icon, then you can get more classes suddenly to your YouTube channel. So thank you student, take care, thank you.